Thanks again for stopping by and checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive industrial remanufacturing center. We work on all brands of gearboxes and pumps. In today's video, we will be checking out a repair we did on a gearbox. If you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer find inner components for, we can reverse engineer and manufacture all missing inner components, such as all gears and shafts. We manufacture all gearing such as helical, herringbone, split herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer 24-hour emergency rush repair to make sure you get your gearboxes back into production as soon as possible. All mechanics at National Gear Repair are Timken Bearing certified and Falk School certified. All bearings are installed utilizing thermal expansion and physics to shrink the shafts with liquid nitrogen, allowing for an easy installation of a superheated bearing that locks into place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to share this video. National Gear Repair has your back. We are now sealing our Western TV62 gearbox here. We are using a high-performance Aviation sealant. This compresses down to about, I believe, 2,000, so this box should be much quieter once fully assembled versus your normal Permatex. Again, this is we're using as an Aviation sealant. This will seal much better for this ideal. Thank you so much. We will now settle our bearing floats and preloads. Bearing floats on this Western box on the output should be at a 0. The second intermediate gear should be at a 3,000. The first intermediate gear should be at a 5,000, and the output shaft should be set at a 7,000. You will now see this video tutorial of setting these floats. Thank you again for watching. And thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear. We are now getting very close to completion of our Western TV62 gearbox. We are now setting our bearing floats and preloads to OEM specs. As and a mag base here. Please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. The conclusion of our video here for our Western TV 62 gearbox. We did a full remanufacture. One of our top master mechanics, Val Lister, assisted us. And how did everything come out, Val?
It's doing great. Manufacturing specifications. Feel good about the rebuild.
Fantastic. Bearing flows and preloads are set properly, right? All brand new bearings and seals. Replaced some gearing. We got some new hosing, some new gauges up in here. Braking systems seem to be okay with us. Thank you again for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.